Good morning there for you. Today I have the 2023 Ford Ranger Wildtrak Edition. This one here in grey has just under 12,000 miles at 11,864, and I'll just be showing you around the vehicle and a couple of features inside. This is a bi-turboed vehicle as well, which means it is perfect for getting you absolutely anywhere. We'll take a closer look on the other side in a moment. Of course, this is a 5-seater as well, meaning you've got room for everyone in the family. And of course, cup holders are an essential. We got a large bed in the back here as well. Here's where the fun part happens. As in the new Fords, it's like hopping into a spaceship. You have a massive panel here telling you literally everything. I will just close the door up, stop the beeping. So we have multiple driving modes which are adjusted by this knob. So we've got 2-wheel, 4-wheel, low range. So if I show you just quickly through some of them, we've got normal, eco, towing and hauling, slippery, mud ruts and sand. Let me just put that back into normal before I set off. This is of course an automatic where multiple things can be controlled. One key feature of this vehicle is the camera system. So at all times you can view this camera and also this one for towing as well. If we also pop it into reverse, we have another couple of camera systems enabled as well. The air conditioning in this car as well is independent, so I can have my air blowing very cool while my passenger can have it as roasty toasty as they like. Just go through it as well. We can also, if this just loads, we can also check the vehicle angle, duration, so it's perfect for off-roading. And finally, last but not least, this does also come with heated seats. So as recording this, I do have a very toasty bottom. Thank you.